Hello, and welcome to this month's Heatline video blog. Today we're going to be answering a commonly asked question, which is, can I cut my cable? Our systems come factory finished, certified and pressure tested, and cannot be spliced in the field. Once you've spoken to a member of our sales and technical team and determined the best product for your application, they will then instruct you to measure for the length of your cable. Once you determine the appropriate length of cable you require, our team can manufacture as per your specifications to the foot. If your system is too long, there are ways to shorten your cable. Check out one of our previous vlogs regarding how to shorten the Retroline in-pipe self-regulating heating cable. We hope you found this month's video blog helpful. We will continue to release a new vlog monthly. Be sure to stay up to date by signing up for our newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or following us on social media. Thanks for watching.